Shrimp agua chile is a traditional Mexican dish that typically consists of raw shrimp marinated in a spicy lime juice mixture, often served with diced vegetables such as cucumber and red onion. Here is a basic recipe for making shrimp agua chile. Ingredients: Instructions. The dish is usually very refreshing and perfect for summer. It can be served with tortilla chips, saltine crackers, or with tostadas. It's a must-try dish for seafood lovers and those looking to add some spice to their meals. Note: be careful with the quantity of the chilies, depending on how spicy you like it.